Start.
Hi, good morning guys. This is Raju from Shrastha Vidya Bhavan. So yesterday's class we discussed about the grammar part. Today we will discuss about a lesson from the 10th class. The lesson name is Attitude is Altitude. Attitude is altitude. What is the meaning of attitude? Attitude means what is the characterization we have, what is the behavior we have, what is the impact we have in the society is called the attitude. Nothing but a kind of personality. Personality means not only the looking, the physical appearance, but also the inner behavior, the inner activities are called the personality. The personality, but nothing but the attitude. What about the altitude? Altitude means nothing but the heights, supremes. There is no limit for that. That means if you have the good attitude, there is no limits for. This is the altitude. That means nothing is equal in front of the altitude. That means if you have the good attitude, ultimately it is the heights. You have the heights in the society. That is the title significance of the attitude. Now I would like to explain about a great personality, a great attitude person, nothing but Nick Vujicic. Who is Nick? I can explain through the lesson. Just see there. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help you scratch the itch, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Once imagine what we have to imagine that means in the early morning you are unable to scratch the itch and unable to stretch the important things. What means when we can wake up. So we should be behave like this. We have to doing like this. And if you have any itch like that, maybe otherwise like this, immediately we need the arm to itch like this. Whatever it may be. But you don't have the itch, that is very difficult. We have to do it like that. Otherwise, we can ask to have, hey, come itchy, it's there. So like that, we can ask to others. So once imagine if you don't have the arms, what we have to do and how we can behave and how we can react. Once to allow your to wrap your arms around your loved one when we saw our beloved ones, maybe our mother, our father, our sister, maybe our children, a little bit children, immediately we can take them and we can hug them very loudly. But if you don't have the arms, what it can happen? Once imagine, that is very a difficult thing. So here that person, imagine having no legs to kick the pebbles down the street. Basically, the youth, the boys or the girls, whatever it may be, when they are going on the streets, if they can watch any small pebble, a small pebble, immediately they can kick the pebble like that. We can watch the movies like that. The people there kick the pebbles like that. Once imagine if you don't have the legs, you are unable to kick the pebble, to walk or run. So maybe casually we can walk, otherwise we can run, and we can bicycle or the skateboard. So you get you from a point A to a point B. If you want to go a point A to point B, what you need? We need the legs. If you want to do, we need the arms or hands. So if you don't have the arms and the legs, once imagine what is our position. Definitely we should be depressed. We can't do anything. And definitely we are dependent on others. Definitely maybe we can dependent on our mother or the father, otherwise brother or sister, whatever it may be. Definitely we need some help. But here then imagine both at once. If we don't have the hands, that is very difficulty. But if we don't have both of at once, that means hands and legs, we can't imagine. Is it? Why? Because if we don't have a single hand, that is very difficult to manage the works with the single hand. If we don't have the single leg, that is very difficult to walk in. Yeah, that is very difficult. But imagine once we can't imagine. You don't have the arms and the legs. What is your position? Once imagine. So here, which is what Nick Vujicic has faced his whole life. Here we can discuss about a great personality, nothing but the person is Nick. So not only the arms but also legs he doesn't have. So once imagine, have you heard something like this before? Have you heard? Have you seen anywhere this kind of personality or this kind of people? Maybe we can see a single hand person, other single leg person like that. But having no arms and no legs, once imagine which kind of what a pathetic situation that is. Once imagine. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs, but he doesn't let the details stop him. So he was born with no arms and no legs, but he doesn't let the details stop him. That means if we don't have anything, immediately we can stop that work. Hey, why are you absent yesterday? Sir, I am suffering from fever. That is why I am unable to come to school. We can say like that. That means the fever can stop you to come to school. But here he doesn't have the arms and he doesn't have the legs permanently. But nobody, but nothing is cannot stop him. And even one day, the brave 26 years old Nick. How many years? At that time, the Nick was 26 years old. Not now. At that time when the lesson was published, at that time he was 26 years old. Who is mainly a torso? Torso means who is the person having no arms and legs? Having no arms and legs. That means this is our total body part. Maybe if we observe, this is our total body. But here the person don't have those arms and the legs also. Only the middle part is called the torso. Only the middle part only we can call as a torso. So he was mainly a torso but plays football and golf, swim and surf despite having no limbs. Basically, if we have the arms and the legs, then also that is very difficult to doing all those games like the playing football. Football means definitely we have to kick the ball. That means we need legs. And golf means with the bat we have to kick the ball. That means we have to hit the ball. Means definitely we need the arms. And swimming means definitely we have to move our hands and legs. Without arms and legs we can't swim very easily and an easy manner. And especially what are the things we have, that means, and especially the next game, surfing. Surfing means this is totally balancing game. Balancing game means when the waves are coming on the sea, we have to balance on the surfing board, and when we are playing the surfing, those are the very difficult to play. Why? Because whose are the people they have arms and legs? The people only they can do very difficultly. But the person he doesn't have any hands, he doesn't have any legs. Then also he is playing all those games. The football he is playing, and the golf he is playing, and swimming he is playing, and the surfing also he is playing. What a great personality! Once imagine, we can't imagine that kind of people. Nick has a small foot on his left hip. The left hip, he has a small foot. So you can see that. So this is the small foot. In the picture, you can see the small foot like that. This one we can see there. Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him balance and enables to kick. He uses his one foot tied right with a pen and pick things but between his toes. What he is doing the all works, what he is using the typing and holding a pen and everything with the help of the small hip he is doing all those things. I call it my chicken drumsticks. Here the Nick is joking. He calls it is a chicken drumstick means we can observe maybe a hen or any bird. The leg we call the drumstick. The chicken the drumstick. He is joked. Who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. So actually he was born in Australia, Melbourne, but now he lives in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. If he doesn't have even the small thing, that is very difficult. Right? Like that. The water sports are Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club truck under his chin. The golf game means confidently we have to play. When the ball is there, we can play the ball. We can hit the ball very confidently. The ball will be go and put in the hole. That is the game of golf. But he doesn't have the arms. Then what he did means he plays golf with a club tucked under his chin. The bat put like this, and hit the ball like that. What a confidence and what a guts he has. And he is a huge fan of English Premier League, EPL. EPL, that means football. He is a big fan of EPL, English Premier League. His parents decided not to send him to a special school. What is the special school? Means who are the people having disability? The people can be going to the special school. Maybe we can see the physically handicapped or mentally disabled people. They are behaving in a different. That kind of people all are gathered in a special school. But here he doesn't have legs and arms. He doesn't have. Then definitely the parents think that is better to join him in a special school. But they decide. His parents decided not to send him to a special school. A decision is said was very hard for him. Definitely, everybody they can say that is better to join him in a special school like that. But their parents doesn't bother the outer sports. Why? Because they have special care on him. They have special love. He was loved by his parents. That is why they doesn't join. They didn't join him in a special school. And especially, that decision, the best decision they could have made for him. So like that, the best decision taken by his parents. So here we can observe when Nick was born, his father was so shocked. When Nick was born, his father was so shocked. Why? That means every parent they have a kind of imagine my baby girl will be born like a princess, my baby boy born like a prince. He should be very beautiful. They should be looking very beautiful. Like that they have imagined their life. But here what can happen, we can see there when Nick was born, his father was so shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. That means when the baby or baby boy is born, ultimately they can take it very nearly and closely, they can kiss them. But here the Nick's father, he went out from the hospital and he was vomited. That means what a pathetic situation it is. If the boy know that incident in his the brought up is, how would he feel? Once imagine when the Nick's father observed, when the Nick's father watched the kid, he went out from the hospital room and he was vomited. And his distraught mother could not bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. What a pathetic situation it is. Maybe the father can avoid the child, but the mother, even she doesn't touch the child. She could not hold the child until 4 months old. What a pathetic situation, or what a sad situation it is. Really, it is very bad thing. Then also, the person should be very brave and very has a good attitude. That is why if he has a torso, if he is a torso, then also we discussed about the person. So we can observe in the society we have all those things. We have a good personality, we have a good nice personality, and we have the arms and legs, we have good body language, everything. Then also we are depressed. If you observe recently, one Bollywood actor, Sushant Singh Rajput, he was died, he was committed suicide. He has good future. He is the good Bollywood actor. Then also he was died with the fear of maybe some problems. What is the problem he has, we don't know. That means he is looking very nice and he has good personality, he has good fame in the society. Then also what is the small little bit problems he has, for that problem he was committed suicide. But here the person, he doesn't have the arms, doesn't have the legs. He is totally dependent, but he doesn't depend on anyone or any other person. He is giving the inspiration to a lot of people today. That is the great personality. We can observe the kind of great people in the society. So we have some more lesson. So in the next class we can discuss detailedly the continuation of the attitude is the altitude. Until then, bye bye. See you. This is Raju. I will meet you later. Bye.